Hi, welcome back to our JSP and Servlet beginner course. My name is Bhushan. In the previous section, we have discussed about how to write Java code inside the JSP using JSP expressions, JSP scriptlets and JSP declarations. But writing Java code inside the JSP will lead us to a problem. There are a couple of problems. So the first problem is we have to write so much of Java code just to access a simple Java object. If you look at this, here we are accessing the name attribute. Just to access this, we have to access the request object and we have to call the get attribute method, and then we have to convert it to a toString object. And then we have to access the out object, and then we need to call a println method to print the message. Here we are just accessing a simple name attribute. What if I want to access a list of students? Just think how much lines of code I have to write or how much time it will take to write that code. So writing a Java code inside the HTML or inside the JSP is really bad idea. So the second problem is at the end of the day, we will give this to a web designers because they are the one who take care of designing the application or designing the website. So they don't know anything about Java. So if they look into this code, they might get confused or there might be a chances of touching our Java code and the things will get messed up, and later point of time our app may crash. So writing a Java code inside the JSP will lead us to several problems. Then how to overcome this problem? Because somehow or the other way we have to access the Java objects inside our JSP. This will brings us the EL expressions. Using EL expressions, we can access the Java objects without touching the Java code. It's so much easy and it's so much useful. Looks like a HTML code. Even the web developers or the web designers look at that code, they won't get confused because it looks like a HTML code. Then what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and use that EL expressions. I'm going to remove all of this code. Okay, now I'm going to include a paragraph tag. Inside the paragraph tag, I'll write a message. I am writing EL expression. In order to use EL expressions, you have to include a dollar symbol and open a curly brace and close a curly brace. Inside these two curly braces, we will write our expression. You can write any expression you want. For example, 2 plus 2. Save this and right click on the project. Click run as, run on server, click finish, restart the server, click OK. This will open in a browser. Okay, the application is up and running. I'm going to enter a first name, Bhushan, second name, Sirgur, click submit. You can see the answer 4, which is fantastic. If you look at this EL expression, it is so much easy and so much useful. All you need to do is you just specify the dollar symbol and open a curly brace and close a curly brace. Between these two curly braces, you will write the mathematical expressions. You can write any mathematical expressions you want. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4 and minus 1, and reload the web page. You can see the answer 2 plus 2, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. And you can write any mathematical expressions you want. Not only mathematical expressions, you can also write a logical expressions. For example, 2 is greater than 1, which is a true. And if you run the application or if you reload the web page, you can see the expression true. And you can write even less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, anything, any mathematical expressions you can write. Not only this, even you can write a ternary operator inside this EL expressions. Let's go ahead and do that. 6 is greater than or equal to 6. If it is true, then we have to execute a true block. So in this case, welcome, a simple message. If it is a false, then we have to say goodbye. and save this. In this case, 6 is greater than or equal to 6, which turns into a true, and the first code block or the true code block will be executed. In this case, welcome should be displayed in our web page. Let's go ahead and see that. I'm going to reload the web page, click continue. You can see welcome. I'm going to change this to 8 and save this. Now it should return goodbye, or now it should display goodbye as message. I'm going to reload this web page, click continue, and you can see goodbye. So inside the EL expressions, you can do anything you want. You can write any mathematical expressions you want. Even you can write as many EL expressions as you want. For example, here 2 plus 2, 4. And I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to use 2 minus 2. Paste it. 2 cross 2. 2 divided by 2. Save this and reload the web page. You can see all the answers which are available, 4041.1.0. So this is a quick introduction about EL expressions. So in the next video, we're going to see how to access these Java objects inside our JSP without writing a Java code. It is as simple as you think. So stick to the video series. In the next video, I will show you how to access the Java objects inside our JSP. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.